This is a short video on removing an hard drive from a set-top box or unit. First you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a flat-headed screwdriver. That's the tools required. Okay, first of all you remove all the Phillips screwdrivers from the outer plastic cover. Then gently prise up the lid, and that then will remove the outer case. Like so. Then either side there is some more Phillips screwdrivers to remove the outer steel case. Then gently prise the outer case, metal case off. This is the, slow down, Dean. This is the important bit, to pull these connectors adjacent away from the connections. Do not attempt to pull them upwards. Obviously it will damage the connection. Then, again, more removal of Phillips screws. As you can see, the most important part, the connections are in perfect condition. Thank you.